Good morning, Year 5. So today we are carrying on with our decimals and looking at subtracting using a written method. Because I know in school we found subtracting a little bit more difficult than addition, and just remembering our place value and our tenths, hundredths and thousandths. So we are looking through, and these are a couple of questions that you should start to answer and should know how to answer. So remember the skill of always putting your decimal points in place. So I always put 3 decimal points in place. Okay, when I'm setting up my calculation, I put 3 decimals in place, and then I know straight away, just move that down a little bit, I know straight away that where my numbers need to go. Okay, so I'm not getting confused with the value or the place value of any of these numbers. So I've got 3, and then I've got the decimal point, which is there, 6, and the 2. Okay. I then have 1, 7, 8. So I can see quite clearly my values are aligned because I've got 1.78. And subtract, well, let's have a look. I can't do from there, so that becomes 5. That becomes 5. I can cross that out. Pen, cross that out, that becomes 1. So 12 take away 8 is 4. 5 take away 7, well again you can't do 5 take away 7, so I have to cross that out, and that becomes a 2. That then becomes 15. 15 take away 7 is 8. 2 take away 1 is 1. Okay, and already I've got my decimal point there, so I haven't got to worry, oh, where does my decimal point go? I know where it is. Have a go at this question then independently. So remember the first skill, line up your decimals, put your numbers in the correct values, and then have a go at the subtraction. Pause the video now to have a go. So you should put your decimal points in place and then added all your digits to the calculation. So again, I can see 9.318. I've got it all there. Here, 0.425. Already, I don't have to worry about my decimal point. And it really helps me with my place value because I know where the digits need to be in line with the decimal point. So again, 8 take away 5 is 3. 1 take away 2, we can't do that, so we'll borrow from here. So that will then become 11. That become 11. This will then become 2. Cross that 3 out. 11 take away 2 is 9. 2 take away 4 we can't do. This then becomes 8. That becomes 12. 12 take away 4 is 8. 8 take away 0 is 8. So our answer would be like that. Okay? So nice simple questions where we've just got the number sentence and we can do the calculation, the written method. So then look at the next style of question. So we're moving through a little bit different, and they're just trying to see that you are really confident in answering questions with subtraction. So this time, they're asking you to subtract 0.625 from 27.45. So if you think, if I was to do it this way, so again, put my decimal points in, decimal, decimal, and decimal. Okay, I have got my 3 decimal points, my method set up here, my method set up, Okay, and I have got it where if I was to put 0.625, it is really important that I line them up, and I know that's correct. 0.625, and then 27.45. Now I could put a placeholder there if I wanted to. Right, if I have a look at that, what is the main issue? What have I done incorrectly? Okay, so hopefully you've discussed that the question is subtract 0.625 from 27.45, not 6.25 take away 27.450. So I need to swap these two round. Okay, these two need to be swapped so I have that answer. Okay, and then have a go at solving the question. So your task today is here. So this is all your written work. Okay, and go through. They give you the questions to begin with on every challenge, and then you have some questions there. I will also upload the answers to the website later on for you to assess your work.